Good night, everyone. My name is Iqbal Rizqul Javan, and today I want to talk about why did I choose informatics. So I choose informatics. It's because I want to learn code. I want to learn language. I want to learn how to write a code. I want to learn how thinking logically, and I want to learn how to innovate it. Uh, so back then, I didn't know how to code actually. I did not know what languages is like C++, Java, and stuff like that. I didn't know. And by high school, I believe I joined robotics, and at that time it was like golden age for me. It was like a golden age for me because uh, it's like for me innovating is more fun than I think. Like creating robots and programs and stuff. So at that time I want to learn language. I want to learn how to do this, how to do that. Basically I want to make a program for that robot to do problem solving. It's like that maze, that mouse maze from robotics. That's very fast mouse maze. Yeah, there is tricks in that programming. Uh, and then day after day, I was thinking about myself. Why did I limit myself with just one robot, which is this mouse robot? Why can I not get more? Why can I not make my ambitions go higher? For instance, I want to make an AI, an intelligence life, an artificial intelligence. So that's why I choose informatics, because I want to deepen my knowledge in that field area, because I want to create a life AI. It maybe sounds like impossible, but I believe time over time I can manage to do it. Uh, and Yeah, so what do I need to do is just learning programming language, how to innovate it, maybe just ask other lecturers, and that's all. Yeah, that's why I chose informatics, because it was kind of my passion. It's like from my hobby. It's like from my hobby from high school, from when I joined robotics extra. That's all from me. Thank you very much.